This is Devyansh Agrawal, and we have developed a fingerprint liveness detection system. With modernization and automation of applications have led to unique and secure ways to log into any system. Security and authentication of individuals are the current area which require more focus as the number of individuals using online applications or systems is broadened to many domains. Among several authentication techniques, biometric is always preferred. Hence, the proposed work incorporates fingerprints, which form to be an unique way of identifying an individual. Since no two people can have the same fingerprint, and fingerprints do not change over the complete lifetime of an individual. This makes fingerprint an excellent tool in authentication system. Since fingerprint scanners can be spoofed by artificial fingers made of moldable plastics like clay, silicone, etc., it is essential to verify that fingerprint is live. Here, we have proposed a deep learning based framework with GAN to check the liveness of the fingerprint and remove noise from it. So, I will show you first the demo. Here we can choose a fingerprint, like this is made from gelatin, you can see, and when we are submitting it, it is predicting that the fingerprint is fake and the spoofing material is shown here, that is gelatin. If the fingerprint is not fake and it's live, then let's see, it will directly tell that yeah, fingerprint is live. If it will be fake and will be spoofed from material, then it will directly show the spoofing material from which it has been spoofed. Like this has been spoofed using EcoFlex material. And one more, let me show you. This has been spoofed using body double. It is a spoofing material basically, and see the prediction, it's predicting right results. So here we have made the GUI using Django, and yeah, we have used H5 file for saving our values of the model and giving it as a backend in this GUI for predicting the results. Now, so the project was on fingerprint liveness detection. The problem statement that I got was to develop a system that classifies the given sample of fingerprint into real or fake, and also categorize the spoofing material used for fake fingerprint using deep learning techniques. So we can see that fingerprints are used in many domains, many areas basically, like in door, for opening the door, we need fingerprint. Now, in ATMs also nowadays we can withdraw the money using fingerprint. For attendance also in police stations, we have to give our fingerprint for identity card. At many places for login into systems also nowadays fingerprints are used. So it's widely used thing. But nowadays we can see that it can be spoofed using different materials like body double, EcoFlex, what we have seen before. So it's very important to develop a system which can categorize a live and fake fingerprint, and when we can categorize the material also, that from which uh, spoofing material the fingerprint has been spoofed, then it will be easy that yeah, it is the possibility that this material is being used more, and we can take action over that material. So why we have developed? To reduce the risk of spoofing the biometric system. What? To detect if the fingerprint is real or fake. How? Using deep learning techniques. So the objective was to deblur the given fingerprint sample if required, to extract the feature of the fingerprint, to detect if the given fingerprint sample is fake or real, to classify the spoofing material when the detected sample is fake, to design GUI for the model. So this is the scope and the constraint. So the data set now. We have taken the data set of 2019 from the University of Calgary, Department of Electrical and Electronical Engineering, and Clarkson University, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. So the data set consists of different spoofing materials fingerprint sample, that is from body double, EcoFlex, Play-Doh, gelatin, latex, wood glue, and live fingerprints. So total of 8,983 fingerprints samples we have taken for our training, in which 4,473 were fake fingerprints and 4,510 were live fingerprints. Now this is the block diagram according to which our model is working. Firstly, the fingerprint is given to GAN, that is the combination of generator and discriminator. So if it is required, then deblurring will be going on here. Now the output of GAN is given to the model CNN VGG-16, and then different layers of deep learning is being used there to classify the fingerprint, like convo, pooling, dense, flatten, and then classification is done using softmax. We are predicting the exact result or classifying the material from which it has been spoofed or whether it is live fingerprint. This is the use case diagram. Basically, a user, how it's interacting with the system. He can log in into the system using user ID and password. He can upload the input image. He can view whether the fingerprint is live or fake, or if it's fake, then the material from which it has been spoofed. So this was our result. Using VGG-16, the accuracy which we attained was 94.23% and the loss of 0.2423, while using CNN with 4 convo layers, 2 pooling layers and a dense layer, the accuracy that we attained was 95.28% with a loss of 0.1392. Thank you.